5 work-at-home jobs that pays $100 or more. So stay tuned for this video. Watch this video all the way to the end. And welcome to my channel if this is your first time. My name is Andre, and what I'm going to show you guys today is 5 work-at-home jobs that you guys can do that will pay you $100 or more. All right, so there's going to be a lot of jobs that you guys can pick from. So these are some websites that I'm going to share with you that you guys can apply right away. So show some love by subscribing, like this video, and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. I always want to know how far my videos are going. So, and for my regulars, happy to have you here, and I'm excited to get you going. All right, so I'm going to jump into things right away, and I'm going to start off with the first website, and it's called thechatshop.com. So thechatshop.com is basically a website that is hiring people to do like live chats, right? So just like how you go on here where you see like the chat expert, right? When you go on a couple different websites, you see all these pop up. They're hiring people to do that. So as you can see, right, they're looking for the best live chat agents for your own website. So you can find out more, and then you can go on here and you can apply, right? If you're looking for a copywriter, if you're looking for a sales and development representative, right? And also head of sales and client experience. So you could come through here and you could sign up for this and become a chat expert, right? So you could be a customer support itself and just answer questions and just follow up with customers that go on various different websites, all right? So that was the first one. So you guys can check it out, thechatshop.com. All right, so the next website is called freelancer.com. So now freelancer.com is basically if you want to work or if you're hiring. So it is a website that has, you know, people that have a special skill set. So if you have a special skill set, maybe you want to create logos, you know, digital marketing, you know, social media marketing, you want to be a writer, right? Or anything technicality, or if you want to just click on here where you say, I want to work. And then once you click it, all you got to do is just sign up right away, get all the information, and then you can start making at least $100 or more per day with your skills. So if you come down here and you can see like what they have to offer, right? So you can get your project started now. So there's people that are doing like website developer, right? So as you can see, starting at $100, right? There's graphic design starting at 90, internet marketing starting at 150. If you're good in mobile app, yeah, you're looking at starting at $200. So it is great. It is a great website. And if you come down here, you can see some of the special things that they're specialized into. So just go through this and see what works for you. And if you're good at something and you're talented, why not use it and get paid for it, right? So check out freelancer.com. So the third website I'm going to be talking about how you can work at home jobs and get paid $100 or more, right, is Glassdoor.com. So if you go on Glassdoor.com, right, virtual assistant is one of them. So if you guys want to check that out, you could just type in virtual assistant. There is tons of different jobs that are hiring right now. So if you want to come through here, see what works for you, see which one you're more comfortable with, and just get going right now, right? Because especially in the new year, you want to make sure you have something going on, and maybe you want to spend some more time with your family, right, and your loved ones, or you just want to have a more flexibility where you can be more at home and control your life. All right, so make sure you check it out. It's Glassdoor.com. Number 4 website that you can make $100 or more a day work at home is babbletype.com. Now, as you can see right here, you can apply for work, right? So babbletype.com, if you go in here, you see you could work from home, you could set your work schedule, you get paid weekly, and they get paid through PayPal. So this is a great website where you can come on here and you could just apply for work, right? So all you need is a computer, you need headphone, you need a good internet connection, and of course you just want to make sure that if you are going to do stay at home or you're going to do any form of like virtual assistant and all that kind of stuff. If you're going to be on the phone, make sure that you go on Amazon and make sure you try to find the one that has, no noise, because especially if you have kids or you have, animals and all that kind of stuff at your home, you want to make sure that you want to have some peace and quiet when you're doing this type of work, because you don't want to be going at it and your customer, even though you're being at home, of course, you want to make sure that you respect the company decision and all that kind of stuff. So make sure you check that out. So you can set up like your own hours, and that's a good thing. Set up your own hours, and you can start making $100 a day or more. Right. So the final website is called Worldwide 101. This is definitely a worldwide virtual client or virtual assistant websites. So you could just come on here and you could just apply to join right away. And they are worldwide. So if you want, for all my people that are all the way overseas, this would be a great website. Even if you're in the US or Canada, it's still good as well. So check this out. It's called worldwide101.com. So just go on there, find and see what works for you. So each one of these websites, they're legit, and you can work at home and start making $100 a day. So make sure you, again, just come on here, see what works for you, how it works. You can just click on here, right? And you can just get started. Or if you just want to scroll through the website, right, you want to apply, see some testimonials from people who are actually working at home, right? You can get behind the scenes and find out exactly how everything works. And the frequently asked questions are all the way at the bottom, right? So if you click on here, right, you can join, you could sign up and see how everything works, like how you get paid, how much will you get paid. As you can see, anywhere between $20 to $22 an hour, right, on skills, experience, seniority, right? How will you get paid? If you click on here, you will be get paid directly to your bank account, right? How does the application work? You could just apply for it, and then you can do some video interviews, and all the information is listed down here. So take your time, go through it. Of course, they have to process it just like any other job, right? They want to make sure everything is all good. So those are the 5 work at home jobs that pay well, $100 or more. And if you guys are looking to start your own online business, you want to find a way how to start your own digital marketing business, I advise you to check out the link down below to find out more about how you can crush it in the new year and do well with in starting your own online business. So feel free to do, that's what I do, right? I don't do these type of jobs. I create my own business, but I like to share these things with people who are looking for a better way. All right. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy this video, subscribe and get more videos on how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and also work at home jobs, right? And let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. It's been a pleasure. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. All right. My name is Andre. Peace.